Hello student, welcome to Chem Gyan. We are doing chapter solution and today the lecture number is 16. Today we'll be solving the numerical based on elevation in boiling point. Now student, in last lecture we have studied the theory part of the second colligative property, that is elevation in boiling point, right? आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग कुछ न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे जो लास्ट लेक्चर में जो हमने पढ़ा था थियरीज उसके बेसिस पे, राइट? द फॉर्मूला विच वी हैव स्टडीड, वो एक बार फॉर्मूला थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर लेते हैं, राइट? एक फॉर्मूला था, the formula was delta TB, right? That is what is delta TB? Bolo, elevation in boiling point. That is the difference between boiling point of a solution minus boiling point of a pure solvent. एक तो ये फॉर्मूला हमने पढ़ा था. एक फॉर्मूला था delta TB is equal to KB into M, where M is molality. KB is called molal elevation constant, or it is also called ubliscopic constant. Delta TB, you know this, right? Okay. One more formula, delta TB is equal to KB into M. M is molality. Molality is weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute, weight of solvent. If this is given in grams, multiply by 1000, right? Student, ये तीन formulas we have already studied, right? And in today's lecture we'll be solving the problem which will be based on this. Okay, I have written the question today. We'll write the data first. I make you understand the question and then we'll solve the question also, right? Okay, let's start. Question is 0.6 molar solution of a substance boils at 373.25 Kelvin, right? Calculate means this is the weight of solute. A solution is made. एक solution बनाया. Solution कैसे बनाया? थोड़ा बहुत solvent लिया रहेगा और उसके अंदर हमने कितना solute ऐड किया? 0.16 molar. We are not adding in, I'm not expressing the things in weight. I'm expressing the things in molarity. So 0.16 molar of solute, right, is added in some amount of solvent to make a solution, right? So solution कितना बना? 0.16 molar का, right? Okay. So this, what is this? This is molality. So molality is given, student. Molality is 0.16 molal, right? The molality is given. Okay, now this solutions boil at 373.25. 373.25. This is a boiling point of a solution. Boiling point of solution is TB, right? What is temperature? 373.25 Kelvin, right? Next, calculate molar elevation constant of water. Right. अच्छा, one thing, solvent is water, and if water is a solvent, तो water का boiling point क्या होता है? Water का boiling point होता है 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, right? So T not B, not हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब हम pure solvent की बात करते हैं. Okay, so T not B 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस converted to Kelvin will be what? 373.15 Kelvin, student. राइट? तो TB डेल्टा T, TB T नॉट B, ये दो वैल्यूज मिल गए. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर इज 373 गिवन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट? वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट मोलाल एलिवेशन कांस्टेंट. व्हाट इज दिस KB, स्टूडेंट? दिस KB इज नथिंग बट मोलाल एलिवेशन कांस्टेंट, राइट? सो KB हमको फाइंड करना है. आई होप क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर, राइट? एक सोल्यूशन है मेरे पास, इस सॉल्यूशन का मोलैलिटी कितना है 0.16 मोलाल, राइट। ये सॉल्वेंट है वाटर जिसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कितना है वाटर का 373.15 केल्विन और सॉल्यूशन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 373.25 केल्विन। के भी फाइंड करना है। कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, विल बी यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला सेकंड, राइट। सो डेल्टा टीबी इज इक्वल टू के बी इंटू एम। अच्छा, डेल्टा टीबी डायरेक्टली नहीं दिया हुआ है, राइट। सो वी नीड टू फाइंड डेल्टा टीबी फर्स्ट, सो आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला, राइट। सो डेल्टा टीबी इज इक्वल टू what, tb minus t naught b. So what is tb? 373.25 minus 373.15. So 373.25 I write here 373.15, right? So 25 minus 15 is 10, right? And this is 0.10. Clear, student? Okay, understood? Now, so this is delta TB, right? Now 0.1 that is equal to KB, and what is molality? Molality is 0.16, right? So what is the value of KB? KB is 0.16 divided by 0.1, right? So it will be 1.6 Kelvin kg per mole. Clear? Understood? Right. Simple? Understood? Okay. I think student was not visible. Let me explain again. Okay. Delta TB, we find it out. I put here the value 0.1, that is equal to KB. This is what we need to find, and molality is 0.16. KB is equal to 0. This is where the mistake is. KB will be 0.1 divided by 0.16, right? Okay, so it will be how much? 0.1 divided by 0.16 will be 0.625 Kelvin kg per mole. We have seen the units. Last time हमने ये units पढ़ा था, right? Okay, student, clear? Okay, now moving to the next question. I have wrote the question. Let's see. Now, is it visible? Yes. A solution containing 1.52 gram of a camphor. Molar mass of camphor is given 152 gram per mole in 25 gram of acetone. Acetone is a solvent, right? और solvent में हमने camphor add किया जो solute है. And this solution, after adding this solution, boils 329.95 Kelvin. The boiling point of pure acetone is 329.45 Kelvin. Calculate molar elevation constant for acetone, right? That is the question. Let's write the data. Okay, student. Now, a solution containing 1.52 gram of a camphor, that means weight of solute is given. Weight of solute is W2, that is 1.52 gram in 25 gram of acetone, that is weight of solvent. Weight of solvent W1, that is how much gram? 25 gram, right? And acetone boils at 329, the boiling point of pure acetone. This is pure acetone and this is the boiling point of solution. Which solution? 25 gram हमने water लिया, उसके अंदर 1.52 ग्राम सल्यूट ऐड किया. अब जो ये सोल्यूशन बना, उस सोल्यूशन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कितना है? 329.95. सो दिस इज T not B, right? Sorry, this is TB. this is TB solution. So TB is 329.95 Kelvin. और प्योर एसीटोन का कितना है? TB, this is T naught B, that is 329.45 Kelvin. Got that, student? Okay. Now the calculate molal elevation constant for acetone means what they have told us to find out. They have told us to find out molal elevation constant, that is Kb. Got that? Okay. One thing more they have given. They have given molar mass of camphor. So molar mass of camphor is how much? 152 gram per mole. This is the information which they have given. Correct? Now I write the formula here only. Formula is delta TB is equal to Kb into molality, and molality can be written as weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute, weight of solvent multiplied by 1000. This is the formula, right? Now just substitute this. Delta TB is the difference between this. Okay, 329. Let's find the difference. Okay, 5 minus 5 will be 0, 9 minus 4 will be 5, and this becomes 0. So 0.5. Delta TB is 0.5. What is Kb? Kb we need to find. What is weight of solute? Weight of solute is 1.52, right, into 1000. Molecular weight of solute is 152 into what is weight of solvent? W1, that is 25, right? So what will be Kb? I write here. So Kb will be 0.5 into 152 into 25 divided by 1.52 into Kb will be 0.5 to 1 point multiplied 25, 1.52 into 1000. Right, student? Clear? Now this is 1.52 and this is 152. This will be 100, right? I cancel this to 0, right? Now 25 into 0.5 means it will be 12.5, right? The half of that, 12.5. 0.5 into 25, 12.5 divided by 10, that is 1.25 Kelvin kg per mole. This is what is Kb. Clear, student? I hope this is clear, right? Now so we have completed this 2 question. Now let's see first this question. This is the important one. Try to understand. Now what is the question? Question is 3.6 gram of sulfur is dissolved in 100 gram of CS2. CS2 is carbon disulfide. ये solvent है, student. So question is like this कि I have CS2, that is solvent. How much? 100 gram. I have 100 gram solvent, right? In that 3.6 gram of sulfur is added. I added some sulfur. That sulfur is how much? 3.6 gram of sulfur, right? So this is solute, this is solvent. So this is weight of solvent and this is weight of solute. Solute is written by 2 and solvent is represented by 1, right? Okay, this is weight of solvent. Okay, now the solution boils at, this solution boils at 319.81 Kelvin. So boiling point of solution, that is TB. What is that? TB is 319.81 Kelvin. This is boiling point of solution, right? What is the molecular formula of sulfur? The boiling point of CS2. This is boiling point of pure solvent. So T naught B. What is this? 319.45 Kelvin. Right. Kb value is also given to us. Kb value is given. Kb is how much? 2.42 Kelvin kg per mole. Kb is given, student. Right. Now, sulfur, atomic weight of sulfur is also given. Atomic weight of sulfur is given, that is 32 gram per mole. Now, what they have asked, क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने पूछा है मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ सल्फर. ये क्वेश्चन है, मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ सल्फर. So this information is given and they have asked for molecular weight of sulfur. Now how to find molecular weight of sulfur? Okay, so let's understand. I write formula first. Delta TB is equal to KB into weight of solute, molecular weight of solute, weight of solvent multiplied by 1000. Student, आपको formula by heart रहना चाहिए एकदम अच्छे से. Okay, now delta TB. What is delta TB? Delta TB is the difference between this two. Okay, so let's find the difference here only. 11 minus 5 will be 6. 7 minus 4 will be 3. This is 0. This is 0, 0. Okay, so 0.36. So delta TB value is 0.36. KB they have given 2.42, right? So I'm writing 2.42. Weight of solute, student. Weight of solute 3.6 gram. This is added. So 3.6, right, into 1000 upon molecular weight of solute, right? See, they have asked us a molecular weight of sulfur. सल्फर का molecular weight पूछा है, ठीक है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम molecular weight find करेंगे. मतलब this is what they have asked to find out. M2. And what is W1? 100 gram. Right? So I need to find M2. So M2 will be what? ये यहाँ जाएगा और ये यहाँ जाएगा. So 2.42 into 3.6 into 1000 upon 0.36 into 100. Right, student? Okay. Now, 3.6. This is 0. So this will become 10. Oh, 0.36. Here, this will become 10. Right? 0.36 tens are 3.6. Okay. So this 2 get cancelled. Right? If I multiply the 10 into 10, this will be 100. So 2.42 into 100 will be 242 gram per, this is molecular weight, 242 gram per mole. Right? Now, this is 242, student. Okay, this is molecular weight of solute. अब एक बात समझते हैं. Molecular weight of solute हमको मिला, but what they have asked molecular weight of sulfur, इसको जरा समझते हैं. See, sulfur का atomic weight कितना है? Sulfur का atomic weight है 32. Suppose I say, suppose molecular formula of sulfur is S2. Molecular formula sulfur का जो molecular formula है वो S2 है, molecule. और एक एटम का जो वेट है वो 32 है, तो मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? होगा 2 into 32, that will be 64. करेक्ट? राइट. अच्छा, ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी मैं उल्टा बोलता हूँ. सपोज आई से 128 ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है किसका? सल्फर का. ठीक है. सो व्हाट विल बी फॉर्मूला? तो ऑब्वियसली आप क्या करोगे? 128 divide by 32, this will be how much? 4. तो formula will be S4. Are you getting that? ठीक है. मतलब अगर आपके पास molecular weight है तो आप उसको atomic weight से divide करोगे और जो भी आएगा उससे आप molecular formula find कर लोगे. because I know sulfur is there, but sulfur S2 है, S3 है, S4 है, S5 मुझे नहीं मालूम और मुझे वही फाइंड करना है. मतलब in short I have to find what is SX, ये मुझे फाइंड करना है. राइट. सो मुझे क्या मिल गया? मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला मिल गया. ठीक है, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला कितना आ गया? 242. ओके, सो दिस इज 242 अपॉन व्हाट इज मॉलिक्यूलर वेट? 32. राइट. फॉर सिंप्लिसिटी मैं क्या करता हूं, आई राइट हियर 240 और नीचे यहाँ लिख देता हूं 32. राइट. सो दिस गेट कैंसल. 3 8 24. दैट मीन्स सल्फर के कितने एटम्स प्रेजेंट है? 8 एटम्स प्रेजेंट. राइट. सो व्हाट विल द फॉर्मूला? फॉर्मूला विल बी S8. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? क्या किया हमने पहले मॉलिक्यूलर वेट फाइंड किया, उसको एटॉमिक वेट से डिवाइड किया. अप्रॉक्सीमेट आंसर्स विल बी 7 पॉइंट समथिंग, बट मैंने सिंप्लिसिटी करके उसको 8 इजिली आ गया. राइट स्टूडेंट? Simple. Okay, moving to the next question. Questions are quite big, इसलिए मैंने पहले ही लिख लिया so that we don't face any problem while understanding it. Okay, now let's see. I will write the data over here. A solution was prepared by dissolving certain amount of compound in 50 gram of CCl4 has a solution was prepared by dissolving certain weight of solute. कितना solute ऐड किया? solvent क्या है? CCl4 है. कितना है? 50 ग्राम. So W1, that is weight of solvent, is given. How much? 50 gram is the weight of solvent which is given. Right. How much weight of solute they have not mentioned. Okay, so that is what they have said to find out. Weight of solute you need to find out. Okay, has a boiling point of 0.4 Kelvin higher than that of pure CCl4. मतलब solution का boiling point 0.4 Kelvin से ज़्यादा था. मतलब difference boiling point of pure solvent and solution का जो difference है, that is delta TB is nothing but 0.4 Kelvin. Right? Okay. If the molar mass of compound is that is molecular weight of solute, that is how much? 128 gram per mole. If molar mass is this much, calculate the mass of solute, that is weight of solute you need to find, and the value of Kb is given, that is 5 Kelvin per molal. That is what they have given. Right student? Now we have to solve this. मुझे weight of solute find करना है, and the formula is going to be same. Right? Formula क्या use करेंगे? Now I am writing the formula over here. Delta TB is equal to Kb into M. M is molality. Molality can be written as weight of solute, molecular weight of solute, weight of solvent multiplied by 1000. Right? Okay. Now delta TB का value 0.4, Kb का value 5, weight of solute find करना है, 1000 will remain as it is, molecular weight of solute 128, and weight of solvent is 50. Right? Now, so what will be W2? W2 0.4 into 128 into 50, right, divide by 5 into 1000. Right student? So this 0 0 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled. Right? Now 0.4 and 128, I can write this 12.8 into 4 divided by 100. Right? So this is going to be 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 4 2s are 8, 11 carry 1, 4 ones are 4, 5. So it will be 51.2 divided by 100. So it will be 0.512 gram. This is weight of solute which was dissolved. Clear? I again explain this. 0.4 into 128 into 50. This 0 got cancelled. 5 get cancelled, right? So 0.4 into 128 divided by 100. 12.8 into 4. What I written 4, and this I write 12.8, right? Just adjusting the things. So 51.2 divided by 100. So the answer is 0.512 gram. Simple. Clear? Okay. So that was the question. So student, there can be many questions, but normally the question will be based on this only. Sometimes they ask you like this. They can ask you the molecular weight of solute and they will give the other informations, right? So for today we stop. Next lecture we'll start with the depression, next colligative property, that is depression and freezing point.